Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to One and All. Today, we will be making a fruit cake, which is somewhat similar to a plum cake, but it's a little bit different that we are using fresh fruit also. Like I'm using apple here. You may use any hard fruit in its place, and dried figs, tutti frutti, green and black raisins, almonds, pistachio, and cashews broken into small pieces. All these things I'm using, and you may vary them as per your family's liking, all these fruits and nuts. And you may also increase or decrease the quantity. In total, I have used about 3 cups of these dried fruits, candied fruits, fresh fruit, plus the cashew and pista and all. So including all of them, it's coming to roughly about 2 3/4 or 3 cups. And after that, I have used fresh orange juice. That is very much recommended that you do not use a canned one, because you get the fresh zest also. I have taken out all the zest from the oranges, and I have got about 1.5 to 2 cups of orange juice also. You have to reduce it. That is the main part. All ingredients are listed out, and with half cup brown sugar and butter, I will simmer it, boil it, and let it simmer. Boil this on very low flame and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes so that I get a rich texture, and let it cool. It should be brought down to room temperature. And this is the dry ingredient where I'm using clove and cinnamon powder also, a little bit of nutmeg, and ginger. I have already added fresh ginger, julienne ginger into along with the nutmegs. And garam masala also I have added in the dry ingredients, my homemade garam masala, so that the spices are all in place added to it. Now you may either add the dry to wet or wet to dry ingredients. Mix it well. And before that, you have to add 3 eggs beaten into it. And I have already preheated the oven at 160 degrees. This is quite a large cake because of all the fruits and nuts and the other ingredients. Transfer it to either a lined tin, cake tin, or a dusted one. Spread it well and then cover it with an aluminium foil. This has to be baked for at least 1 hour and 15 minutes. It would depend on the fruits you have used. So for 30 minutes, you have to keep it covered under aluminium foil and then bake it. Then after 30 minutes, remove the foil and bake it further in the open for 30 to 45 minutes. Check the skewer. When it comes out clean, it is ready to be taken out. And once it is very cool, thoroughly cool, then only transfer it to a plate and cut it and enjoy it with your family. The whole house would be filled with a wintry feel. It would bring a warmth to the air, and the entire house is smelling with the warm spices. So please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more such recipes, and do try out this recipe and do share your feedback. I would be waiting for it. Have a nice day, all of you. Thank you.